Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where the combined support from schools, families, and our local community are essential for successful learning. With students starting the school year by learning at home, the need for school supply donations is even more important. Many families in Newport News, already stressed financially by the ongoing global pandemic, face significant challenges as they support their students' goals to learn and succeed virtually. Fortunately, there are a number of ways for a caring community to support our students and families as they kick off a new season of learning. Newport News Public Schools has partnered with Kits for Kids to offer high-quality school supplies to all grade levels. Starting at only $12, supply kits can easily be selected online and delivered directly to the students. Visit the Kits for Kids Virtual Options webpage and scroll down to the NNPS selection to support our local students. Another way to support education is through DonorsChoose.org, which continues to be a wonderful online resource to equip students, teachers, and families for online instruction and learning. Just like the name implies, generous donors get to choose specifically which projects to fund. Simply visit DonorsChoose.org and type in Newport News Public Schools or a specific school in the search bar to find a project that needs financial support. Donors can fund an entire project or part of a project and can clearly see where every dime is spent. Many NNPS teachers have already posted inspiring and essential projects to support learning at home, such as virtual learning bags, new books with diverse characters to promote reading, materials to help young scholars learn math skills, headphones to build reading comprehension, fitness packs to enable physical education virtually, and art supplies to encourage creativity from a distance. With your monetary donation, our hardworking and dedicated teachers can successfully equip students and families for a successful virtual learning experience. A quick and easy way to get school supplies into the hands of students who need them most is through a direct donation to the Newport News Education Foundation. Consisting of a diverse group of active citizens and community leaders, the Newport News Education Foundation is a nonprofit organization that focuses on preparing students for the future. The NNPS Together 2020 School Supply Drive accepts monetary donations of any amount. Your generosity will assist the school system in purchasing specific supplies that will positively impact the students and schools most in need. By working and giving together, our community and schools can help set up students for a year of unprecedented success, no matter where the learning takes place. When schools, families, and communities join together for the benefit of our students, great things happen.
Every extra effort is a benefit for our students in Newport News Public Schools. Extra time for reading, extra help devoted to individual students, or extra supplies to enhance classroom instruction. Parents and community members can help supply that extra bit by financially aiding our schools through simple, everyday errands. When you're out shopping, keep your eyes open for Box Top for Education or Labels for Education logos on your groceries. Simply cut the box tops or the Labels for Education UPCs and beverage caps and have your child drop them off at school. It's that easy, and a huge benefit for our schools to receive extra funding and supplies. And while you're shopping, don't forget to use your reward cards in a smart way. Your Food Lion MVP card, Harris Teeter's Vic card, the Kroger Plus card, and other reward programs can be linked directly to the school of your choice. So when you buy everyday products, you're supporting your child's school. To link your reward card, visit the store's customer service desk for more information. And you can help your school form a strong parent-teacher relationship by joining your local PTA. Membership fees alone can help a school with budget needs, and some schools even offer rewards for joining the PTA. PTAs are instrumental at organizing many fundraising efforts, along with seasonal options such as t-shirt sales or holiday craft fairs. Supporting your school is easy. A little bit of extra effort goes a long way to help ensure that our children have the best education possible.
Students and families, if you still haven't received a device for virtual learning, Make-Up Chromebook distributions are scheduled for September 3rd and 4th at 5 high schools: Denby, Heritage, Menchville, Warwick, and Woodside. Students may go to the closest high school on those days to pick up your device. Monday, September 7th, is Labor Day, and all school offices will be closed. The following day, Tuesday, September 8th, is the first day of the new school year. Although everything is different right now, we hope you have a great beginning to a fantastic year. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.